Students, welcome to Byju's exam prep. Today in this session, I will continue the same topic, number system. Yesterday, I started the concept of HCF and LCM. One session has already been taken. This is the second session on HCF and LCM. I will take this session. So yesterday, I explained about HCF and LCM, how to find out. If you have not revised the last session, I will suggest everyone to revise that session first. You will be clear with the basic part. Then questions will be simple to approach. So let's continue with the questions today. Good evening, Bhaskar. Good evening, Yasmin. Good evening, Pandu, Sonali, Indrajit, Sapna, Chichamao, Ishita, Akhil, Mr. Reddy, Satya, Rahul. Good evening, everyone. Let's start the session with examples. Come to this one now. Everyone, come to this example. Of course, of course. Okay, Gaurav, I will discuss that question as well. For sure, I will discuss about that question. But please concentrate now. Please concentrate on the question which I have given you right now. Everybody. Sum of two numbers is given. HCF is given. LCM is given. Difference of two numbers you are supposed to find out. Good evening, Rishika. A option, 50% students has given me the right answer as well. If HCF is 5, if HCF is given equal to 5, those who are not able to find out, please concentrate now. If HCF is equal to 5, I can take the first number, I can take the second number. First number, I can take 5x, second number will be 5y. If HCF is 5, it means the highest common value among these two numbers is 5. Highest common value is 5 among these two numbers. So number will be 5x, 5y. Is this clear? Now, sum of both the numbers is 5x plus 5y. The sum is equal to 100. So x plus y will be equal to 20. Is the point clear? Very first thing, sum of both the numbers, 5x, 5y, the sum is 100. So x plus y is equal to 20. Now, LCM of both the numbers. LCM of both the numbers, 5 is common in both, take. Then x in the first, y in second. So LCM will be 5xy. This is given equal to 495. So 5xy is 495. So xy will be equal to, xy will be equal to 5. 9s are 5 9s. I expect this point is clear. If not clear, please ask right now. Do not ask the doubt after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Because there is a wastage of time. If you will ask later, parallelly you must ask. So this point is not clear. Why this point? I will definitely explain. Chichamo is asking why LCM 5xy. But one thing I will. If you have any value, let's suppose 12x, 12y. If you want to take LCM of these two, so what will be the LCM? First take the common part. While taking LCM, first take the common part. Then after taking common part, what is left behind in first number? X. After taking common part, what is left in second number? Y. So this is LCM. Okay, beta? Chichamo. Chichamo. Okay. Now, then if the question is saying the numbers are 5x, 5y. 5 is common. X is in the first. Y is in the second. 5 is common in both. What is left behind in first? X. What is left behind in Y? Second Y. So 5xy. And LCM is given 495. So 5xy is 495. Xy will be 95. So beta 11 plus 9. The sum is 20. 11 into 9. The product is 99. Okay. Is this point clear? Now come to difference of these two. Difference of these two. 5x and 5y. The difference is 5 times x minus y. 5 into 11 minus 9. 11. Because sum of two values such that the product is 99 and sum is 20. So 11 and 9 are the values. 11 into 9 is 99. 11 plus 9 is 20. So 11 and 9 are the values of x and y. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 into 2 is how much? 10. Okay, beta. I'm trying to repeat the complete again. Just listen. If HCF is 5, first of all, I can take the numbers as 5x and 5y. Now, sum of both is given 5x plus 5y. The sum is 100. So x plus y is 20. Okay. Then LCM of both 5x and 5y. The LCM is 5 times x into y. 495. Xy will be 99. So two values x and y. The sum is 20. The product is 99. So numbers will be 11 9s are 99. 11 plus 9 is 20. So difference you were supposed to find out. Difference is 5x minus 5y, which is 5 times x minus y. I put the value of x. I put the value of y. I have explained the complete detail of this question. I expect this is clear to everyone. Okay, let's come to next. Let's come to next example. Everyone, do this. A option, absolutely right. Multiply of two co-prime numbers. First of all, you should understand the meaning of co-prime. Co-prime is what? When HCF of two numbers. When HCF of two numbers. When HCF of two numbers is equal to 1, it means nothing is common. Nothing is common in both numbers. Nothing is common in both numbers. HCF is 1, it means to say when you find that the HCF of two numbers is 1, when nothing is common in two numbers, then HCF is 1. If first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM, first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM, multiply of both numbers is given 1365. If HCF is 1, what about LCM? What about LCM? LCM will be equal to 1365. Is the point clear? Now, okay, but this is the complete explanation. Directly you can remember, multiply of two numbers, multiply of two co-prime numbers is 1365. It means HCF will be 1. HCF is 1. LCM you are supposed to find out. This is equal to multiply of two numbers. Okay, 1365 is the right answer. If I will give you one example that multiply of two co-prime numbers is equal to 143. Find LCM of both. Find LCM of both. What do you say? Tell me fast. Multiply of two co-prime numbers is 143. Find LCM of both. That is directly very nice. Ishita, Vignesh, Indrajit, Rishika, Gaurav, Poonam, everybody getting the right answer. Sonali, Ankit, Parkonan, Yasmin, great. If multiply of two co-prime is 143, this is same as of their LCM, and this point is clear. Okay, guys, let's move to next example. Do it now. Every single question is important for all of you, but understanding is also must. As in this question, you took just 5 seconds to answer. Obviously, you are going to take 5 seconds in this question, but I took 1 to 2 minutes to explain the complete, such that the basic will be clear to you. So this is my strategy to make your basic strong. You should know the logic as well. You should understand the method as well. Okay, guys, let's come to this one. Find the largest number which divide 339, 521, 651, giving same remainder in each case. Same remainder 1 in each case. A option, absolutely right. The number you will have to find out which divide 339, which divide 521, which divide 651, giving 1 remainder in each case. If you will subtract 1 from this, if you will subtract 1 from this, if you will subtract 1 from this, you will get 3 values. Take HCF of all. This is the general method which students used to apply. I'm going to give you the better method than that. Whenever you find there is a number you are supposed to find out which divide these values, which divide 339, which divide 521, which divide 651, giving 1 remainder in each case, giving same remainder in each case, whether 1, 2, 3 is given or not, giving same remainder in each case. Then what will you do? Find out difference between these two. Difference between these two. Find out. Tell me what will be the answer? What will be the value? 182. Find out the difference between these two. 130. Okay. So you got the difference between these two. 182. Difference between these two. 130. So then what you are supposed to do? Find HCF of 182, 130. So find out HCF of these two. Now students should factorize this. 2 91s are 182. 91 means 7 into 13. Okay. 130 is what? 2 into 65. 2 into 5 into 30. Okay. I got difference between these two. Difference between these two. I got 182, 130. Find out HCF of these two values. HCF of these two values is what? I have just factorized 182, 130. What is the common value? 2 is common in both. 13 is common in both. So 2 is common, 13 is common. Total value is 26. This is the right answer. Okay, beta? Everybody, take the screenshot. Let's move to next. Come to this example. Come to this example, everyone. Do it now. These are not big things. A lot of things are not big. This is quite simple. You will have to practice on that and you will be fast. Okay, Parkunan and Gaurav, both you are asking how to make factors easily. I will give you an idea, don't worry. I will give you an idea, for sure. Just try to solve this one. Largest number, which divide 233, which divide 533, which divide 758, giving same remainder in each case. Giving same remainder in each case. Do it now. Okay, A option is absolutely right. What should you do? Find out the difference between these two. Difference between these two is 300. Difference between these two is 225. We got two differences between three numbers. Keep in ascending order. Difference between first two, difference between last two. We got 300 and 225. Now find out HCF of these two. Students were asking, sir, how to factorize easily? What is your way? Students, what students used to do? If you want to factorize 300 now, students used to do 2, 150, 2, 75, 3, 25, 5, 5, 5. This is not. This is not. Don't use this. Come to this one. 300 can be written as use your mind or logical mind. 300 you can factorize easily 3 into 10 into 10. 10 you can say 2 into 5. This is 2 into 5. So 300 is equal to 3 into 2 into 5, 2 into 5. 2 is coming 2 times. 5 is coming 2 times. Okay. Is this point clear, Gaurav and Parkunan? You will say, sir, this is easy, but what about other one? So you will have to use your logical mind. Every number can be factorized in easy way. 225 is there. You can break this number. This is square of 15. Do you know or not? Everybody know that 15 square is 225. 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 3. Matlab, you will have to break the number in your mind like this. Not completely, but little bit. 15 into 59 I have done. This is 3 into 5. This is 3 into 5. So 3 is coming 2 times. 5 is coming 2 times. So we got it. So what is common in these two? Highest common factor. 3 is common. 3 to power 1. 2, no. 5 to power 2. So what is the HCF of 75? A option absolutely right. A option absolutely right. Okay, beta. Now clear at least. Should I explain the last question as well? In the last question, you got two values 182 and 130. You will say, sir, what about these values? How to factorize these numbers? So you will have to use your logical mind. 182. This is for sure. This is not coming in my mind. What to do? So what should I do? This is divisible by 2. That is for sure. 2 into 2 9s are 2 1s are. Okay. 2 into 91. 91. Now you can factorize 2 into 7 into 13. 13 7 into 91. What factorize? 130 can be written as 13 into 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 13 is already there. 2 is common. 13 is common. I hope you understand. One more thing I will suggest, with practice you will be more confident. You will be more confident with practice only. Okay, beta? Come to this one. Nikita, with example. Nikita is asking, sir, once more. Huh? 2 examples has been explained how to factorize. If you will get more example, then definitely I will explain it. Okay. Find the smallest number which when divided by these 3, giving remainder 7. B option is right. You will have to find out the number which is divisible by 45, 60 and 72. I will ask you, can you find out the number which is divisible by 3 and 4 both? Can you find out the number which is divisible by 3 and 4 both? The number will be LCM of both 12. If you need to find out the number which is divisible by 6 and 8, what will you do? 6 and 8 divisible by both. LCM of both 24. Okay. Students used to ask, sir, how to find out LCM fast for the small numbers at least. So if somebody is asking you LCM of 20 and 30, what will you do? Pick the bigger number. If 2 numbers, 3 numbers has been given, pick the bigger number. Take multiple of that. Take bigger number, take multiple of that, and the first multiple of 30, which is divisible by both. The first multiple of bigger number, which is divisible by both. That will be LCM. 30 1s are 30. Is it divisible by both? No. 30 2s are 60. The first multiple of 30, which is divisible by both, is LCM. Okay, if I am supposed to find out LCM of 24 and 36, what will you do? Take the bigger number. 36 1s are 36. 36 2s are 72. Isn't this divisible by both? Yes, this is divisible by both. So this is LCM of both. Okay, beta. If you are supposed to find out LCM of 20, 25, and 50, what will you do? Bigger number is 50. 50 1s are 50. 50 2s are 100. Divisible by all 3. Okay. LCM of 20 and 25. What will be the LCM? The bigger is 25. 25 1s are 25 2s are 25 3s are 25 4s are 100. Divisible by both. It can be the third multiple, fourth multiple, fifth multiple, sixth multiple, second multiple. Almost it will be second, third, and fourth multiple. For the smaller numbers, you can use this method. If you find bigger numbers, you will have to use factorization way, as I explained the last class. If you are supposed to find out LCM of 12 and 18, what will you say? What is LCM? This method will make your finding LCM for small numbers. Yes, exactly. 36, 18 1s are 18 2s are. Pick the bigger one. Take that multiple which is divisible by both the numbers, all the numbers. Okay. Now come to this one. LCM of all these 3. Because number is divisible by all 3. Number is divisible by all 3. So take LCM of these 3. Now students will ask, sir, how to find out LCM fast? That is possible. You will have to find out LCM of all. Then they want remainder as 7. So add 7 into that as well. Okay. Now factorize 45. Do you understand what I'm saying? LCM of all the numbers 45, 60 and 72. LCM of 45, 60 and 72. LCM of all plus remainder added. 45 can be written as 9 into 5. 3 to power 2. 5 to power 1. 60 will be taken as 60 is 6 into 10. 6 is 2 into 3. 2 into 5. 2 to 2. 3 to 1. 5 to 1. Okay. In your mind, you will have to break 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 8 is what? 2 to power 3. 9 is what? 3 to power 2. So I have factorized the number, all the numbers. Now take highest power of 2. Highest power of 2 is 2 to power 3. 3 to power 2. 5 to power 1. 8 5s are 40. 40 9s are 360. 360 plus 7. 360 plus 7. The option is right. Okay, beta. I think this is clear now. Subhash Mehta. Very, very common example in your exam. Very, very common example for your exam. Three lights flashes at interval of 24, 30 and 40 seconds. All flash at 8 AM once. How many times will they flash together? Up to 12. Yes, that is written. Yes, exactly. Gaurav, it is given. All flash at 8 a.m. once. This is clearly written. Started at 8 a.m. Started at 8 a.m. and flashes at 8 a.m. once. B option is right, but almost students has given A option is right. Because the question what Gaurav was asking, does it started from 8 a.m. and I explained as well. Yes, all started at 8 a.m. once. That one value you will have to add into 120. Okay. Now three lights flashes after 24, 30, and 40 seconds. 24, 30, and 40 seconds. So LCM of these three values, bigger values 40, 41s are, 42s are, 43s are. So LCM is 120. So 120 mean 2 minutes. LCM of 24, 30, and 40 seconds. What will be the LCM? 120. 120 seconds means 2 minutes. From 8 to 12, from 8 a.m. till 12, 4 hours. 4 hours means 240 minutes. Okay, beta? 8 to 12, 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. There are 4 hours. Total 240 minutes. In 240 minutes, flash together after an interval of 2 minutes. So how many times? 120 times. Flash together. Is the point clear? How can we know that? Have to find out HCF and LCM for a particular question. Beta, if you will expect that everything I can give you, no. Few things are there in depth. You will have to understand through practice. This is not the thing that you will have to cram. Don't try to cram the thing that here you will have to find out HCF, here you are supposed to find out LCM. No, don't cram. Understand the meaning of question. That meaning of question will give you the clarity where to find LCM, where to find LCM. Okay. You will have to, okay, if I will say there is a light which flash after interval of 2 minutes. There is another light which flash after an interval of 3 minutes. Okay. If both flashes at 10 a.m. So what time again they will flash? At 10 a.m. this flash, this also flash. After 2 minutes it will flash, the first one. It will flash at 10:02, 10:04, 10:06, 10:08, 10:10, isn't it? And the second light will flash 10:03, 10:06, 10:09, 10:12. So the common time is 10:06, 10:06. So 10:06 is the common time where both the lights flash together. So this is just the understanding. Am I supposed to find out HCF? No. I'll have to find out common value, which is multiple of 2, multiple of 3. That's the LCM. Your requirement of the question will let you know where to find out HCF, where to find LCM. Okay, sir. Always welcome, Gaurav. If you are clear, that is nice. Okay. LCM of this time interval. Every time you will have to find out LCM of this time interval will give you a common time after which all the lights flash together. So 120 seconds is the LCM of these three values, which means 2 minutes. After every 2 minutes, all flash. In 240 minutes, 240 means what? From 8 to 12, this is 4 hours. 4 hours means 240 minutes. After every 2 minutes, all flash. In 240 minutes, 120 times all flash together. And one time initially at 8 a.m. once you will have to add. So total 121. Okay. 121 is the total number of times such that from 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. all lights flash together. If all flash together at 8 a.m. once, if they will ask, they did flash at 8 a.m. between 8 to 12, how many times? Then it could be 120. Next question. One more example. Give me the not the approx answer. Don't give me the approx answer. Give me the actual value when they are going to flash together. A, B, C, D. Tell me fast. Everyone tell me fast. Three traffic lights, 48 seconds, 72, 108. All flash at 4:30. At what time again? No, C option is not right. None of these will be the right answer. So understand LCM of time interval. You will have to find out. So 48 second, 72 second, and 108 second. Three lights flash at 4:30 a.m. What time again? So 48 is what? 16 threes are. 48 you can factorize. 16 threes are. 16 is 2 to the power 3. 3 to the power 5. 72 is what? 8 nines are. 72. 108. 27 fours are. So 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3. So I have factorized all three values. You got LCM as 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3. This is 16, this is 27. 4:32 second is the time after which all three flash together once. Do you understand this particular point? 4:32 seconds. It means 420 seconds plus 12 seconds. 420 seconds means 7 minutes. You can divide it with 60. 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So 420 seconds means 7 minutes. 7 minutes, 12 seconds is the time after which all flash together. 4:30, you can add 7 minutes, 12 seconds. So 4:37 and 12. None of these. I was telling you, I don't expect the approx value. I need the actual value for this. This is very close, but not the right answer. The option. Let's come to next. Ratio of two numbers is given, LCM is given. A option, absolutely right. Two numbers are in the ratio 9.